Today I'm going to be doing a very bronzed and glowy makeup look that complements all skin tones while highlighting some of my favorite Ciate products, so let's get right into it. To prep the skin, I'm going to start off with the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Patches. I like to place these right underneath the lashes, kind of in an upward direction. This really helps to prevent from any eyeshadow fallout while I'm doing my eyes. I like to let these sit. Using gel patches really helps to smooth out the under eye, so when you go to put on your foundation and concealer, you really get a nice smooth finish. It also contains a brightening watermelon extract that's going to really brighten the skin while these babies sit and chill for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now for my favorite product. I am obsessed with the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Ciate is the best when it comes to radiant, glowy looking skin. So when we go to put the foundation on, it's just going to melt into the skin. My skin is already hydrated. I also recommend using this after you've completed your makeup because it really takes away that makeup-y feel and makes the skin look more radiant and fresh. To prep my lips, I'm going to be using the Disco Nap Lip Mask. This has such a beautiful glowy lip sheen to it. I love the way it makes my lips feel. And look at the glow that this gives. It's so beautiful and it has such a cushiony feel to it. I recommend leaving this lip mask on while you do your eyes and your skin, so by the time you get back to your lips, they're nice and prepped for a very smooth and flawless lipstick application. I want my eyes to look very warm and golden, so I'm using the Marbled Metals Metallic Eyeshadows. This is in the shade Eclipse. I always go in with my fingers first because I feel like it gives more of that instant wet looking finish. It just kind of glides onto the eyes. These are so smooth. So I'm basically going in towards the inner corner of my eye and really patting this in towards the center. Using a blending brush, I'm just going to soften up these edges just to give more of a seamless look. I still want all my focus to be on the eyelid. So using my finger again, I'm going to go in with the shade Gilded in the outer corner just to give more of a bronzy glow. Starting from my lash line and just bringing this up to the crease, I'm just softly patting in this product. Now I'm going in with a blending brush just to really soften up these edges for a more seamless look. This formula really does blend like a dream and it makes applying a metallic metalled eyeshadow so easy and fast. Ooh, look at this glow, I love it. Removing these patches is seriously the best feeling. My eyes just feel refreshed and awake and ready for foundation. To prep my skin for foundation, I'm going to be using the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I recommend using about 2 pumps of this product, and I like to start in the T-zone and just really work this product in. It helps to smooth fine lines and minimize the appearance of pores, and it also helps to grip the foundation for a very long wear. For my skin, I'm wearing the shade Fawn in the Extraordinary Foundation by Ciate. This is such a beautiful foundation. It really reminds me of second skin. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything at all. It's very weightless. It gives more of a medium buildable coverage. For a very sheer finish, you could even mix this in with a little bit of face oil to sheer it out. But I personally love a medium coverage. My skin tends to have a little bit of redness in my cheeks, so medium coverage is perfect for me. When you sweep the foundation back and forth, it just kind of shears and buffs out the product, and when you go in and stipple the brush, it basically pushes it into the skin for more of a full coverage. So as you can see, it really left my skin looking very soft and hydrated, and it also has a 16-hour wear, so I know it's going to stay on all day. To set the skin, I'm going to start in my T-zone using Ciate's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This powder is finely milled, so you can't even see it on the skin. It just helps to mattify any areas that you want to set. I actually didn't set the outer areas of my face with the setting powder because the South Beach bronzer is actually going to do all of that for me. It helps to reduce shine, and it also really gets the foundation to last all day. It's more of a medium dark shade, but it has this beautiful golden undertone to it, which gives the most perfect glow. For a warm bronzy cheek, I like to start in the hairline on my cheekbone, and I'm just softly bringing this into the apples of the cheek. And as you can see, this product blends like a dream. To soften up these contour lines on my nose, I'm going in with the coconut setting powder. One of my favorite tricks is to take the bronzer that I'm using on my face, softly sweep it across the crease or even blow it up into the brow hairs. This just gives more of a seamless, cohesive look with your eyes and your skin. I'm also just going to take a little bit of the bamboo bronzer and place it right underneath my lash line just to warm up my under eyes. So my goal for this skin is to have more of a glass-like sheen right on the apples of my cheeks. So I'm going to be taking the Dewy Blush in the shade Coconut for just a natural skin finish glow. And as you can see, it really brought back that glow. I like to keep my clients looking very matte in the center of the face, but when they turn to the side, you always have a beautiful glow. This product is amazing. You gotta check the rest of these shades out. To finish off my eyes, I'm going in with the Wonderwand Mascara in shade Black Magic. This mascara is carbon black and has a smudge-free formula. It lasts all day, doesn't flake, and it gives intense 3D volume. I like doing one coat for more of a natural look and 2 coats for more of an intense mascara look. Really want this makeup to stand out and pop, so I'm going to go in with a coral red tone in the shade Rocket. So this is a demi shine lipstick. It just kind of melts onto the skin. Most of the time I have to go in and line my lips with a lip liner, but with the design of this lipstick, I do not. I feel like it's so effortless and easy to apply. This lipstick is a satin finish, so it's a demi shine, and just one swipe, you really get that full coverage payoff. I feel like we need to bring back even more glow to this makeup look, so I'm just gonna lightly spritz my skin with the Everyday Vacay Mist. Ciate is celebrating its 10th year of bringing you beauty unexpected. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this glowy, bronzy makeup tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh wait, and one more thing. Don't forget to check out these products at ciatelondon.com.